Hello. Hi, I really discard. How much is it?
It is 200 brand. It is a high quality brand.
That a bit expensive. Can you give me a discount?
I can give you 15% off so also it will be $170.
Can you make it $160? I buy it right now.
$170 is my final price. That is the best I can do.
Alright, $170 sound fair. I take it.
Okay.